In the heart of innovation, where dreams meet reality, emerges the story of Rivian, a trailblazer in the electric vehicle revolution. It all began with a vision to redefine mobility, to create vehicles that are not only sustainable but also inspire adventure. Their engineers pushed boundaries, embracing cutting-edge technologies to design vehicles that seamlessly blend performance, sustainability, and adventure. Join us as we explore Rivian's journey, their challenges, triumphs, and a glimpse into what the future holds for this pioneering automaker. In 2009, CEO R.J. Scaringe founded Rivian. Originally known as Mainstream Motors, the company's roots trace back to Scaringe's passion for the environment and his desire to make a difference in the automotive industry. After a brief stint as Avera Automotive, the team settled on Rivian, inspired by the Indian River, where Scaringe spent his youth exploring in Florida. Rivian's journey involved prototypes, a sporty coupe, and a shift towards creating a holistic ecosystem of electric vehicles for the outdoors, but the journey wasn't without challenges. Rivian faced skepticism and hurdles, but every obstacle only fueled their determination. With resilience and grit, they overcame each challenge, turning skeptics into believers. In 2019, Amazon and Ford joined forces with Rivian, investing substantial amounts in the company. Amazon's order of 100,000 electric vans became a crucial part of Rivian's mission to make a positive environmental impact. Fast forward to today, Rivian is valued at nearly $20 billion and plans to expand its impact globally. The company is already scouting locations for a European facility, hinting at its ambitious plans. The R1T and R1S, Rivian's first creations, were not just vehicles, they were masterpieces, capable of navigating both city streets and rugged terrains with equal ease. The Rivian R1T revolutionized not only the pickup segment, but the entire landscape of the automotive industry. With its remarkable speed, boasting up to 835 horsepower, the R1T accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds, making it the quickest truck available at its release. Its towing capacity of 11,000 pounds showcases its robust capabilities, blending performance and utility seamlessly. The interior of the R1T offers a luxurious and outdoorsy ambience, reminiscent of premium outdoor gear brands. The 16.0-inch touchscreen at the center of the dashboard and finely stitched leather seats contribute to a high-tech and comfortable driving experience. This electric pickup, unlike its competitors such as the Ford F-150 Lightning and Chevrolet Silverado EV, stands out with a unique gear tunnel for additional storage, underlining Rivian's commitment to practicality. With a max DC fast charging rate of 220 kilowatts and an EPA estimated range of up to 410 miles, the R1T ensures both convenience and efficiency for long journeys. In summary, the Rivian R1T is not just an electric truck, it's a trailblazer that made Rivian one of the best innovators in the electric space. And after the initial success of the R1T, Rivian quickly followed with another equally impressive SUV, the R1S. The Rivian R1S emerged as a pinnacle of automotive excellence, seamlessly blending sleek design, advanced engineering, and unmatched practicality. Boasting a top-tier quad-motor variant that accelerates to 60 miles per hour in a swift 3.1 seconds, the R1S strikes a balance between high-performance capabilities and family-friendly utility, comfortably accommodating 7 passengers. On the road, it surprises with nimble handling, while its off-road prowess, mirrored from the R1T pickup, solidifies its position as a leader in challenging terrains. The variety of battery options, ranging from the standard to the Max Pack, offers commendable driving ranges, catering to diverse preferences. With a starting price of $85,800 and expected stability in the 2024 model year, the Rivian R1S, with its well-appointed interior, premium materials, and comprehensive driver assistance features, emerges as a compelling choice in the evolving landscape of electric SUVs. Now that their 2 models are making a splash on American roads, Rivian is gearing up for a pivotal phase, as it aims to launch its more affordable R2 midsize electric SUV in 2026. Priced between $45,000 and $50,000, the R2 aims to address a market gap in this price range. Utilizing lessons from the larger R1 platform, which underpins the R1T electric pickup and R1S SUV, the R2 will be built on Rivian's first global platform. The new vehicles from the R2 platform will benefit from advancements in technology and materials, leading to a reduction in manufacturing costs. Production is slated to commence in 2026 at a new plant in Georgia, contributing to a more cost-effective operation. Rivian also plans to retool its existing plant in Illinois, enhancing the R1 platform with new technology, streamlined wiring harnesses, consolidated control units, and improvements in body structure and battery packs, ultimately reducing costs by approximately 35%. The company is set to introduce new trims and battery pack options for the R1T and R1S, along with leasing options and an expanded mobile service fleet. Rivian's strategic growth includes the production of commercial EDV vans for Amazon, amending an exclusive deal to potentially sell to other customers and initiating pilot programs with large fleet owners. Despite financial challenges, Rivian has revised its 2023 production forecast to 54,000 vehicles and continues to optimize production costs, marking a significant improvement from previous years. For the moment, these vehicles are exclusive to the United States, but they will soon hit the European market. Rivian is overcoming obstacles and moving forward with its plans for a new manufacturing facility in Georgia. The legal battles over property tax breaks that initially delayed the project have been resolved, with the Georgia Court of Appeals overturning a previous ruling and supporting Rivian's massive investment. Real estate and construction firm Clayco has been selected by Rivian to construct the cutting-edge electric vehicle manufacturing facility on an 1,800-acre complex. The plant is set to prioritize efficiency and sustainability, and production of vehicles based on the R2 platform is expected to commence in 2026. Despite ongoing legal and environmental concerns, Rivian is pushing ahead with the project, aiming to create approximately 7,500 direct jobs and 8,000 indirect ones in the region. The first model expected to roll off the new site is the R2 SUV, estimated at a starting price of $45,000, signaling Rivian's commitment to offering more affordable EV options. This move comes as other automakers face production delays and disruptions in the electric vehicle sector. Despite ongoing challenges, Rivian is reporting improved financials, with reduced losses in Q3 2023 compared to the same period in 2022. The company is also on track to exceed its annual production goal, highlighting its determination to expand and establish a stronger foothold in the EV market. As Rivian continues to innovate and expand, it's evident that their future is charged with potential. Stay tuned for more updates on this trailblazing company. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.